You guys, I wish you could be a part of this. This is amazing, especially with good friends too. Can't have it any other way. Welcome back, Minion Squad! I'm Lil Mea. Welcome back to another episode of Lil Mea's Mukbangs. You guys, this is an awesome feast of ultimate proportions. You have no idea. Wait till we show you all the food that we have. It's all over the table right now. There's awesome guests with us. Guys, these are some of our good friends, and we couldn't do this without them. There's other special additions to what we have here, and I'm gonna let Tammy let you know what we've got as well. So we'll get into that, but without further ado, guys, let's get this party started, shall we? Sorry about the background noise, but it's a get together. It's a barbecue feast, so I hope you guys don't mind. Let's do this. So guys, everybody's getting started. Of course, I've got to have my rice, as you all know already. And everybody's just helping themselves to macaroni. We've got barbecue steak. We've got barbecue chicken and barbecue chicken breast. We have all sorts of other goodies, but like I said, Tammy's gonna just mention to you what other additions she's added to this. I'm so excited because there's also garlic, you guys, oven roasted garlic that's supposed to go onto our chicken and our steak as well. Yes, please. Check this out, guys. Check this out. This is gonna go over top of our steak and our chicken. Look at that. Oh yeah, roasted. I don't normally have this, so I'm really excited to try this on my steak and my chicken as well. Macaroni salad. Now I'm gonna add some garlic on top of my chicken. Smother that. Grab a few more jalapeno poppers, you guys. Not gonna lie, took a few of those already. Couldn't help myself. Thank you. Oh, I already have that. Oh, and some oven roasted fries, you guys.
Pulled pork beans.
Pulled pork beans. So who you hear there is Tammy. So these are pulled pork beans. Check this out. Oh yeah, our barbecue just ain't right without it.
This smells and looks amazing.
We're so hungry, you guys, because the smell and the barbecue when it was cooking and everything that was going on. Oh my god.
I'm good for now. I'll get some in a minute.
Yeah. Good. Jalapeno poppers.
And salad.
And salad, yes. Caesar salad. Oh, and not to mention, you guys, what Tammy did, which is very rare and most people don't do this, is that she toasted the Parmesan cheese in the oven. Yes. And it's, I've got a few of those already. And it's crispy and toasty, and it's so perfect with a Caesar salad like this.
Oh, it's good when she does that.
Why don't you let the people know what additions you added to it and all the sauces as well.
We've got some jalapeno cheese poppers. Got some sweet chili Thai sauce.
Yummy.
And some sour cream because
Everybody loves sour cream.
Garlic.
Yeah.
Roasted garlic and olive oil.
And then the beautiful
And
Caesar
some
salad.
butter and some Caesar salad. You know that garlic and the pulled pork beans.
Put some on my rice and it's delicious. Did you hear that, guys? Blue's cheese, creamy dressing on your corn.
I haven't tried this mac salad yet.
Justin's the cameraman, panning the camera around, letting you see everybody enjoying their food. You guys, I wish you could be a part of this. This is amazing, especially with good friends too. Can't have it any other way. Cheers, guys. Cheers to all of you guys.
Cheers.
Mine's empty. Haven't bothered with that part yet.
No.
And everybody's got their own drinks. We got milk, we got juice, we got water, we got empties. He's gonna help himself in a bit because the food is the first thing on the menu. Perfectly cooked with the chicken. The barbecue there? Yeah. And the steak, I haven't even tried the steak yet.
Chicken's amazing. Did you marinate that in?
Oh, a lot of different seasonings.
Did you?
Yeah.
Very good.
Thank you. So you guys, Ian mentioned as well. So we had previously had pig's tails on the smoker, and it was so good. It was my first time having it, and I wish we had it as a mukbang. But Ian recommended. He said next time we're gonna do moose T-bone, pig's tails, and bear meat. You guys, I've had bear meat a little bit last time. I've had pig's tails now, and we're gonna have moose T-bone. So that's gonna be a really good one. Totally outdoorsy, redneck. Get out there and just enjoy it. I'm so excited for that too, guys.
I'll even eat on the lawn. We'll even eat it on the lawn.
I'll get into the season. Just enjoying the meal for a moment.
Yummy.
Here, you gotta try some garlic with that, dude.
It was really good.
Oven roasted garlic. Don't mind if I do. Popper. Say hi.
So you guys, I forgot to mention as well, there's also maple fudge made with real maple syrup. Yes, Ian and Justin, they've been killing it. Just, I guess, what would you say, boiling down the sap straight from the tree. And I haven't really seen the process. I want to show you guys a little bit of the process. It's been taking hours and days. And you guys, finally we had maple syrup, and it was so delicious. There's nothing like it. The store-bought stuff, it just doesn't even do justice, you guys. This stuff is authentic. It's really yummy. And to make fudge with it, it's on a whole other level. So can't wait to dig into that as well.
That chicken is pretty good.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
This steak, we want T-bone because T-bone has that like
Oh yeah.
fatty, you know, fattiness to it and stuff like that. And marbling around it and stuff like that, so it makes it juicier. But we couldn't find any when we went to the grocery store, so we got those ones.
That works. It's still good. Pass that garlic.
So with the chicken, in the seasoning for the chicken, I'm gonna take this big bite first.
And you better get some of that or it's going to be gone.
Please let me try.
So there's a chicken seasoning. It's an Asian chicken seasoning that goes into it. I'll show you a pic of it right here as I'm sharing the ingredients with you. There's soy sauce in it, dark soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, a little bit of sugar, garlic salt, and a little bit of oyster sauce, and that's pretty much it. Oh, onion soup mix, you guys. That always gives it another elevated flavor as well, and it makes the seasoning a lot more thicker and stays on there, marinated overnight. And then we got ourselves amazing chicken and barbecue. I wonder if you could do it smoked. Maybe it tastes just as good smoked.
Well, it is kind of smoked.
Oh, it is kind of smoked.
Yeah, I used cherry wood.
Because when we had pig's tails, there was no seasoning, and it tasted like it was seasoned. And I asked Ian, I'm like, did you season it? He's like, no, that's natural from the wood flavor into the pig's tail. So there you have it, guys.
And that steak does almost taste a little smoked.
It does.
All of it.
What's the wood that you use to barbecue?
Cherry wood.
It was cherry wood, you guys, to give it that nice cherry flavor.
Well, and it turns it red when you're cooking it. Every time I cook it for someone, they say it's not done, but it's done.
Yeah, because of the
Because
red.
it's
Yeah.
red from the thing,
And
yeah.
it's red, right? And you can even see that in the
Yes, the redness. Yes.
meat.
From the wood.
Red like a cherry.
Getting full?
Yeah, I am.
Not yet.
Bottomless pit here.
So the chicken is a big hit. That's good to know. Chicken's always a big hit, though. You love
It
chicken.
always is. Anything on the fire. So I was telling him, we used to do like bacon on a stick. Everything was on a
man.
stick when we were kids. We would take chicken legs, stick it on the end of a stick, bacon, whatever. So we'd always raid the freezer. And my mom, she'd get lots of stewing beef, and we'd take that and just put little cubes of steak on the end of a stick and cook. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
It was.
Delicious.
I miss the simpler days.
Food always makes people so happy, eh?
Brings people together.
Yes. That it does. And good food.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
If I can't, I'll just pick up the coach.
So delicious, you guys. We got big plates too. Look at how big these are, you guys. I gotta have Caesar salad. So you guys check out the Caesar salad. Yeah, check that out.
You want some, baby? Yeah. What is this sauce for?
That was for
poppers.
sweet chili Thai for the poppers.
There's just so many varieties, you guys. I can't even get to everything. But you know what? We're going to still feast even after this video finishes. So,
Yeah.
Delicious.
Can you taste the cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Cheese in there?
Mm-hmm.
So guys, check out this fudge. Maple fudge. Oh yeah, Justin made that last night. And I'm so excited to try one. Mmm. Creamy. Mapley. If you have a sweet tooth, you guys, this is it. The all-star right here. I love toffee. I love caramelly stuff anyways, and this tastes just like that.
Love that cooked cheese in here, man. So good.
Ooh, that garlic in there. I just mixed mine in with it. It was so good.
So you guys, thank you for joining us in this awesome mukbang feast. It's been an awesome one, and like I said, it's even better with great company, great friends, and so many different additions to it. Food brings people together, and this is why I love food so much, because there's no borders, and it just makes everybody have a good time, and you can just enjoy the food, have great conversations.
It's been really fun. It's been good food. Thank you very much.
Thanks. I'm gonna have a nap after.
Ready for a sleep.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
So you guys, I'm Lil Mea. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Love you lots.